We're standing in $1 million short-term rental right here in Savannah, and we're going big.
As you can tell, we're going pretty crazy with paint colors in here. So Julie helped the buyers
Absolutely.
with this sale. Got a killer deal. You want to talk about that real quick?
Absolutely. There's a house 2 doors down that hasn't sold yet, and it's for sale for just under $1 million. And my buyers came into this home and they got it with the best agent in town for $690, okay? And it was for sale for much, much more. We've worked them all the way down. Not only did my clients get a killer deal on this property came with a short-term rental certificate. And in Savannah, that's incredibly valuable. There's a 4-year waiting list. You can't just come into Savannah and have a short-term rental. You pretty much have to buy the house with the certificate. Normally, the certificate makes the house extremely expensive, but we went hard in a down market and got a great deal. And now Chandler is gonna make this place make serious cash flow.
Yeah, no, I'll be honest with you. It's probably one of the worst decorated in Savannah. I feel like I've seen some pretty bad stuff, but
Yes.
This was pretty. But what happens is I feel like most buyers walk in here and can't see the opportunity. That's where Julie's kind of really good at saying, hey, like quit focusing on the ugly couch and
Right.
the ugly everything. Like let's look at the opportunity here. And so she lets me come in and do the creative stuff.
That's
so
right.
I come in here and it's funny, the owners were actually like, hey, they were sending me photos of what they want to do. And I was like, hey, that's not gonna work too well. It was kind of just gray walls, white walls or whatever.
Nope.
And
Gotta be crazy.
yeah, so
Crazy equals cash.
we do crazy, but we actually wanted to look good too. So as you can see behind me, like it looks really good. It's not done yet. You'll see the final in a couple weeks, but it's gonna look really good too. And it's unique. Nobody, like when people travel, they want unique experiences right now. And so that's what we're gonna give the guests.
That's right. When I brought my clients in here, I said exactly what Chandler said, which is stop looking at the decor. We walked this home. This home is solid. Okay, this home is over 100 years old. I think it's 120 years old, something like that, which means it's in the best location. But this home has gorgeous wood floors. It's solid. There's not a soft spot on it. There are no structural issues. It's in a great location. It has 3 off-street parking spaces, which is incredibly valuable, and plenty of room for a hot tub. So Chandler and I are really good at bringing people in and going, this is how you can increase the revenue. This house pretty much had no revenue. It was so awfully decorated that no one wanted to stay here, including myself. And honestly, the buyer actually walked out initially and was like, no. But when they came back and really saw the value, and when we were able to get hundreds of thousands of dollars off the sales price, all of a sudden this house looked a lot better.
Yeah, for sure. So it takes some time to seeing through the nasty work and now they're starting to see, they're like, oh, I get it. Redecorated and just did the bare minimum, I think they would still struggle. You really have to be out there. So just get ideas, what's behind me, the crazy blues and greens and wallpaper is gonna be everywhere. But people are gonna really enjoy this place because it's so different.
Yes. Well, and as an agent who's also a property manager, it's a really tough conversation to go, hey, let's drop basically $700,000 on this house. And then I need more, right? We needed another 50, 60, whatever, $30,000, just depends on the house. But that's significant, okay? And if you're gonna get into short-term rentals, you do need to have cash available because buying the house is only part of it. You have to buy the right house and put the right amenities and decor inside, and then the money will follow. So I'm very grateful to this buyer. They trusted us and they're still trusting us, and we are almost done with this project, and I can't wait for you to see what happens when this guy gets finished. So stay tuned to Sid Was Here. If you want to see the end results, you're going to see it, and we will see you next time.
Cash flow Savannah where the dreamers dwell. Get your hustle on, ring that wealth bell. From the